Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Rainbow Six mobile game not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your mobile get restarted, go ahead, launch the Rainbow Six mobile app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Rainbow Six mobile app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Rainbow Six mobile and then tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it from the Play Store and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rainbow Six mobile game and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Rainbow Six mobile is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop Rainbow Six mobile app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and then click on clear data. Here take a note, app data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete button to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for the Rainbow Six mobile app. So tap and hold the Rainbow Six mobile app icon, then click on app info. Go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, allow background activity, and then click on allow to confirm, and then you can launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update and then click on software update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rainbow Six mobile app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as VPN, Surfshark, Aloha Browser VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, VPass VPN, Turbo VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch Rainbow Six mobile and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution to reinstall Rainbow Six mobile app. So tap and hold the Rainbow Six mobile app icon, then click on uninstall and then tap on uninstall again to uninstall it, and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Rainbow Six mobile and tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall the Rainbow Six mobile game on your Android phones. And after it get installed, then you can launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then check for a Rainbow Six mobile server status. If you find that the server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Rainbow Six mobile app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android phones. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Rainbow Six mobile app not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.